up, Pickle Peeps? So today I'm going to give you guys a hack for getting color palettes out of photos. Are you ever annoyed when you're trying to put together a design, social medias or whatnot, and you just can't seem to get the right colors, or you're trying to put together a palette for a new collection, new marketing campaign, whatever, but you just can't seem to find the ones that work, and like this leads to struggling and like playing on the sliders and just hours and hours and hours gone, whereas you could have been done in about 30 seconds. So we're going to jump onto Canva and I'm going to show you guys how to get beautiful color palettes that are not the Canva pre-done ones super fast in seconds. Ready? Let's go. But first, my name is Melissa Pickle. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Handmade How, the place where we break down the how of handmade marketing, giving you quick tips so you can focus on getting those profits. All right, now to the computer. Okay, Pickle Peep, here we go. We are in Canva. Now, to be honest, I am not fully sure if this is a pro or a free feature. I believe it's free, but still. The way to do this, to get started, because we want to pull our color palettes, right, is you need a source image. Now, I love just looking straight at Canva's images right here, and we're going to be working on this page that I have going. This is technically from my gift guide template, but you'll see what I mean in a minute. So the cool thing to do here, Pickle Peep, is you have your source photos. Maybe you have a couple of photos or whatnot, and what we're going to do is click on the picture, and then click on the color tab up here. Now it's going to give you a whole bunch of document colors on here, which are cool, but you can scroll all the way down to that, and then it's going to have your document colors, then your palettes, and then photo colors. Now this is showing for me what I have on this page right here. So I have this image and I have this image, and honestly, like, both of these palettes are kind of cool right here. I especially love this one. But if you have a whole bunch of pages in your thing, or you just want to see a whole bunch of palettes, pick the one that you like, go ahead and click see all. Now this works if you have a whole bunch of documents in here, like say maybe you're doing a whole bunch of social media posts or whatnot. So I have a ton of graphics and photos in this doc right here, or not doc, but this book, whatever. And you know what I mean when I say doc. So I have like element ones, and it's going to show you the source image on the side here, and then it's going to break out the palette. Now I'm going to be honest, this one from the ice cream palette right here is absolutely adorable. I totally want to use that for something. I just don't know what yet. Another palette that I absolutely love is this one right here, and it's from a shell image. These are like the native Canva elements right in there. And then as we scroll further down, you're going to see we're going to get into photos. Now this picture right here is this one, and it's giving me this palette, which is like kind of dark and moody right there. I have this palette up here, and it's just like kind of scrolling through and looking. Now I'm going to be honest, I like this one, is very pretty. I am loving this one right here. Even though I'm more of a green and blue person, I'm just something about these oranges and that soft peach. I am just loving it. And we got a little slate in there. Keep scrolling down. We have this beautiful blue palette, and now it's just, this is actually from my product. So if you want to pull palettes from your products, you can do that too. I recommend having a whole line of images in here, and that really lets you get a variety of things to look at to pull these color palettes. I love this palette, and that's from this necklace right here. Keep scrolling. I have like a mountain scene, lots of mountain scenes, all that stuff, and then I have a few more products down here, and that's what it's pulling from. But look at these options, and if you do this, if you go this direction and you have a consistent color palette in what you're doing, it just makes the rest of your marketing so much easier. So you could take this and you could put it in as a brand palette, and we have videos for that, so I'll link them up here if you want to see that brand palette video or brand kit video. And I think you can have up to 100 color palettes or brand kits in there. So you could do one for every collection that you do. So say you're doing your summer collection, which is what this right here is part of, my summer road trip collection. You can have the color palette for that. So you're going to have always, like, you have your top brand, your marketing colors, but then the projects you do might have their own accent colors to that project, or your own palette to that project, which just kind of sits underneath the umbrella of your brand. And this just makes it so dang simple. So now the only bad thing is I don't know of a way to save these. You could add another palette if you you wanted. I don't know how to do that. But what I typically do then is I'll go in, and if you hover over a color block, it'll give you the hex code right there. So that's that hashtag and then 6 alphanumeric designations in there. So this gray is hashtag 7E8375, okay? This green that I just think is absolutely adorable is hashtag 5BC692. I'm really loving that palette. Lots of other palettes I'm really liking too. In here, I'm seriously adoring that one. But we have desert stuff going on in here. All right, so I'm gonna have trouble like picking which palette that I want to do, but I have these beautiful options. And now when you go through, like, your seasonal marketing is so beautifully matching and comprehensive because you're sticking to a palette. Now your color palettes, you can see it just about in all of these here, really, are gonna have some light colors, some dark colors, and some pop colors. All right, like you look at in here, that green or the pink. That pink is a pop color. Or you look at this one, that green is a pop color. Like, all of them are gonna have, like, they're gonna have that deep color, those rich colors, those lighter colors, and then your mid-range and your pop. And that's how you put together a very nice color palette. Like, this one's just so beautiful, like East Coast beach palette right there, which it's coming from a beach photo. But there you go. So you grab your hex codes from each of these, and then you're going to insert them into a brand kit. And I'll link that above so you can see, or you guys saw the card. I'll also link it in the description below so you guys can go check that out and create your summer brand kit, create your fall brand kit, create your holiday brand kit, create your whatever season you're getting ready to market, you're prepping into, create the brand kit for that, and then you always have those colors on hand. Let me just show you. So then if we wanted to do things, we would go back out of photo colors. And when I'm talking about these brand palettes, I mean this section right here. So I have right now, I just have 2 brand kits. So I have M&P, which is my jewelry company, and then I have the Handmade How. I'm still not satisfied with those colors. Maybe I'll pull colors from here. I don't know yet. But you can have, I believe, up to 100 of these. So you can just keep going through, and I bet you can delete them when you're done using them. So, all right, that is it for today, Pickle Peep. I hope you found this video useful. Comment below and let me know if you have played with the brand or with the palette features in photos here on Canva, or if this is something brand new to you, and let me know how you are going to use it. All right, that's it for now. Make sure that you hit the like button if this video has been helpful for you. Go ahead, smash the subscribe button if you are new. And if you want notifications of all of our daily videos, go ahead and subscribe at thehandmadehow.com/insider, linked below in the description. And I am working to get out daily emails showcasing our newest videos and what's awesome about them. All right, Pickle Peep, till the next time, you guys have an awesome day building your awesome business. Bye!